So, welcome to the vlog. Ito na naman si Imbangers. So, ang ating vlog for today is, kung makikita nyo guys, meron ako dito 3 colors of mobile holder. So, marami kaming messy. Oh no! Nag-charge ng aming phone kung saan. Minsan kasi nalalaglag yung aming phone. Oh no! Charge. Saka minsan, nag-aagawan kami ng mga charger. Sasalin-salin yung wire namin, saka yung adapter. So, saka minsan naka-charge din namin kung saan alam ko na saan naka-charge. So ngayon, nakakita kami ng sale na mobile or cellphone holder. So, para maging hindi na messy at hindi na kung saan namin ang aming phone, at para hindi na kami mag-halo-halo sa aming mga wire charger connectors. Hindi namin na bumili ng mobile holder para sa aming charging station. So, ang vlog po natin guys is mag-i-install tayo guys ng or gagawa tayo ng mobile charging station. Madali lang to guys, so it will not take more minutes to install. At ang maganda nito guys is ma-organize natin ang ating mga mobile phones sa pag-charge. Hindi na tayo magagawa sa mga wire or kami. So let's go guys. So Balma, where I'm gonna put yours? In the middle? White is yours, right? Blue is yours. So mine is white. Okay. So let's go guys. So I'm gonna put Balma is blue. I'm gonna put Balma in the middle. So dito natin siya ilalagay guys. Lapit ko may ilaw. Can you spot if it is means level up? Level. So meron siyang super adhesive. Balma, check if it is. It needs to be equal. Level. Why is this already?
It's not that.
This straight! Ah! Not straight.
Ginagawa mo!
So, ang kay mami is pink. Check. Matibay naman siya guys. Okay. Go there. And spot. Spot the ribbon. Or I'll put one here. Okay, tell me.
No, wait. Upright.
Upright means that one?
Yeah. Up left is it? Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
So, ayan guys. Dalawa na. Medyo tagpit yung kay Bato. Pero hindi ko na siya magagalaw kasi pag hinanumuhin yung packet ko na pinili. And this is mine, the white. I'm gonna put it here. What?
Yeah.
Straight?
Up left a little.
Here.
Down.
Down there?
Yeah.
Yes! Leave lang natin ang konti guys. So, it's strong enough to hold the mobile phones. So, and guys, since ang ating mga camera, cellphone. So, do you have any cellphone there?
Use example. The one in the room.
Yeah. Oh, this is not the one. see. So ito yung aking luma. Kasi guys, yung mga cellphone natin is ayan o. So kukuha na lang natin ng charge na siya. So ayan guys, halimbawa ito, tapos ito, so ayan guys, ready na ang ating mga charging station. So hindi na kami magkakaroon sa mga charger, at saka madali na siya, very easy. So, thank you guys for watching and see you at the next vlog. Bye guys! At so, ayan guys, ito na nga yung ating ginawang charging station. Ayan, bali